In the bustling streets of Brooklyn, where construction projects thrive and renovation dreams come to life, one name stands out: D&A Contracting. Specializing in dumpster rentals, D&A Contracting provides the essential service that keeps Brooklyn's projects moving forward seamlessly. With a commitment to excellence and a reputation for reliability, D&A Contracting is the go-to choice for contractors and homeowners seeking efficient waste management solutions. Whether a small-scale renovation or a significant construction endeavor, D&A Contracting supports Brooklyn's building boom. For those needing top-notch dumpster rentals, look no further than D&A Contracting. Dial 973-809-3846 to connect with our dedicated team and discover how we can streamline your waste management needs. You can also visit our website at www.dacontracting.com to learn more about our services and explore our options. From construction sites to residential cleanouts, D&A Contracting has the perfect dumpster rental solution for every project in Brooklyn and beyond. So, if you're tackling a project in Brooklyn and require reliable dumpster rental services, remember the name: D&A Contracting. With our unparalleled dedication to customer satisfaction and our commitment to providing efficient waste management solutions, we're here to ensure your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Contact us today to experience the difference D&A Contracting can make for your next endeavor. Dumpster rental Brooklyn, New York, has never been more accessible with D&A Contracting by your side.